To be able to design ASIC on SoC platforms, Caravel can be used. From Linux platform, bring on terminal and URL browser. Go to Caravel repository at GitHub. Clone Caravel user SoC. Install Git app if don't have it. Clone Caravel. Check out the latest stable version. The required software packages to synthesize circuit is managed through Docker. Go ahead and install Docker by following the instruction from Docker document site. Download the Docker installation script and save it. Execute the script to install Docker. Go through post-installation steps. Activate Docker in system daemon and reboot to take effect. After restart, continue installing Caravel user project. Go to Caravel user project and install Caravel core. Install management core. Install OpenLAN by following Caravel docs. Install OpenLAN into subdirectory dependencies. Specify OpenLAN locality. Install OpenLAN. Install Python pip and virtual environment. Install process disaggregate with Guidewater 130 technology. Install PDK. Install simulation environment for design verification. Install MPW precheck. At this point, Caravel installation is completed. There's a simple user project example. Synthesize the example counter circuit. The example counter circuit has been synthesized alright and GDS is generated. The circuit can be visualized in GDS 3D app. Encounter build failures. Fix build errors. Build alright. Launch GDS 3D app with the ASIC.